Hi everyone, welcome back to our cooking channel, Cookie Time with Daniela. I'll be cooking yam and plantain today. I'll use this oil to fry the shrimp, and this is soy sauce, this bell pepper, the green and the red one, onions, and those two pepper. I'll be using. I wanted to buy grounded beef, but I just decided to say that I should try this turkey one. So I've never used it before though, but I'll use it today and see how it turn up. Yeah, so I will just start by cutting the yam. I will not actually cook the yam. I will just fry it somehow. I did it before. I really enjoy it. I think it's good for me to show you guys how I do mine. So just watch. Skin one out, and then if you have any spoiled one, just take them out. Just take off the so I'm just dicing the plantain. If you don't want to cut your own to the pieces, it's good too, but I just want mine to be cut. If you have any better way or faster way for you to cut, you can just do that. But this one, I'm not really going anywhere now. This is my only job remain for today. Yeah, so I'm taking my time to cut it. Yes. Yeah, done. I will be using deep fried fryer to fry the yam. See, I soak the yam after cutting it. Soak it inside this the water with salt for a couple of minutes before deep frying it. If you don't like to use salt fry, you want to use sugar on yours, you can do it too. But if you don't want to use sugar or salt, you just want to fry it like that, is fine too. Just slice the pepper. Very hot. Please don't do it with your hand. Man. Just cutting this one too. Just the same way I slice the red pepper too. Just not. If you also want to do a different shape, it's good too. I think I start with this kind of shape. That's why I just want to continue with it. Vegetable oil. I'll just wait for like 2-3 minutes. I will be adding a little bit salt on this one. Just wait for it to hot and okay. I will take it out. You can actually use beef. I'm just using turkey, breaded turkey for today. I've never tried it before. Today is my first day of trying it. So maybe I will let you know how it tastes. It will taste good though. It tastes very good. Turkey is good too. But this one is very soft one, not hard one. This is salt. I have 2 spoons of salt. This kind of spoon, 2 salt for salt. I have this black pepper. This one and ginger and garlic. I'll be mixing them together now. And you can add any seasoning of your taste, of your choice. So I'm using this cube because that's what I have available for today. The red pepper and the green one. I'm adding this one just for spicy. So I use 2. It might not be enough, but I don't want it really hot though. If you are the type that need hot one, you may need up to 4. So I will just add the plantain and the yam together. Yeah. So we just add the sugar. I'll just leave it for like 2 minutes. The smell very good. I like that. I'll add a little bit soy sauce to this. See, this is the reason why I do not use too much of salt and too much of cube, because soy sauce also have their own sweetness inside. If you add too much, everything will crack. Just wait for it 2 minutes. Wow, our dinner is ready. Put the stove off. It will really turn out to be a very delicious thing. Get yours. See? Take. Wow, the thing really turned out to be very good and it's delicious too. Remember, if you want to cook yours, don't add too much of salt and too much of sweetener, because if you are using the sesame oil I use, they have their own taste also. So you will not miss the real taste of natural food you need. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.